In 1997, a sound unlike any other was detected deep in the Pacific Ocean. It was loud, so loud in fact, that it was heard by hydrophones more than 5,000 kilometers apart. The noise was low, powerful, and organic sounding. Scientists called it the Bloop. Was it an undiscovered sea monster, a geological event, or something stranger? The mystery of the Bloop has haunted scientists, oceanographers, and storytellers for more than 2 decades. Right finger subscribe to Fact Storm as we dive deep into the world's loudest unsolved sound. Listening to the deep. The U.S. Navy maintains an underwater listening system called SOSUS, Sound Surveillance System. Originally built during the Cold War to track submarines, in the 1990s it was shared with scientists to study ocean sounds. Hydrophones were placed across the Pacific Ocean, capable of picking up even faint noises. In the summer of 1997, those hydrophones recorded something extraordinary. The sound. The noise lasted about 1 minute. Frequency rose rapidly, like an animal call, but massively louder than any whale. Detected by multiple sensors, confirming it was real and widespread. Scientists nicknamed it the Bloop. To put it in perspective, blue whales are the loudest known animals on Earth. But the Bloop was several times louder, so loud it could only come from something enormous. Early theories. Immediately, speculation began. Giant squid. Could an unknown species make such a sound? Colossal whale. Perhaps a larger, undiscovered relative of the blue whale. Sea monster. Popular culture linked it to H.P. Lovecraft's fictional creature Cthulhu. Geological activity. Earthquakes or shifting icebergs. The ocean covers 70% of Earth and is still largely unexplored. The idea of a massive unknown creature captured the public imagination. Ocean mysteries. The Bloop is not the only strange sound from the deep. The upsweep, a mysterious, seasonal sound detected since 1991. The whistle, the train, the slowdown, other unexplained noises. Each has fueled theories about sea creatures, shifting tectonics, or underwater volcanoes. But the Bloop was unique, louder and more organic than any of them. Scientific explanations. Over the years, scientists analyzed the recording. The sound's profile resembled that of icequakes, large icebergs cracking and fracturing. In 2005, NOAA, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, suggested it came from ice breaking off Antarctica. Later studies confirmed massive icebergs in the Southern Ocean were capable of producing such sounds. Thus, the official explanation, icequakes. Why the mystery remains. Even with the icequake theory, doubts linger. The sound was unusually strong, far louder than typical icequakes. It matched the frequency of biological sounds, not just geological. Some argue no ice event has ever been recorded at such a massive scale. In popular culture, the Bloop remains linked to sea monsters, pop culture, and legends. Documentaries and shows speculated about giant creatures. H.P. Lovecraft fans linked it to Cthulhu, said to sleep in the Pacific near the coordinates of the Bloop. Movies, video games, and YouTube videos still use the sound as a mystery hook. The legend lives on because people want to believe the ocean hides monsters. What we know today. Most scientists accept the Bloop as a natural event, an iceberg breaking apart. But the fascination comes from what we don't know. 80% of the ocean remains unmapped. Every year, new species are discovered. Creatures larger than we imagine could still exist in the abyss. The Bloop reminds us how little we truly know about our own planet. Legacy. The Bloop is now part of oceanography folklore. It inspired new studies of deep-sea sounds. It also drew attention to climate change. Melting ice and collapsing glaciers are becoming more frequent. So while the Bloop may not be a monster, it is still a warning from the planet. Open book conclusion. The Bloop was the loudest underwater sound ever recorded. Science points to ice breaking, but mystery keeps the story alive. Was it just the voice of a dying iceberg? Or was it a glimpse of something still hidden in the depths? Right finger subscribe to Fact Storm for more mysteries from the deep.